As you might remember from our previous episodes, we had some issues with the fit of the slides on our new mainsail. So this is the old original slide that came off of Makara's sail. It's a Bainbridge A109. Fits really easy into the gate, nice and loose when you slide it in. And I can just push it and it'll fly up. This is the brand new Bainbridge A109. It's a little bit tougher to get into the mast gate there, but as soon as it goes up into the track, it just completely binds. So right there, this thickness right there.
That's our flange.
That's the flange.
And again, the original slides we had were the same slides, an older version, the original version, so there may have been some variation or a lot of wearing, but this is the flange that Hillary's dad built a jig for. And Fred was able to get that set up really good on a table saw. So our next step now, after doing this test one, is going to be cutting each of those down as they sit on the sail.
Yes, that will be a project. Stay tuned.
We're trying to reduce this slide, and so I had to make a slot for it to fit into firmly. And so it's backed up against there so the saw blade won't flip it all around, and it wiggles a little bit. Maybe we should adjust that. And then I had to build a box to hold it on this side of the blade so I could run the other side down the fence without having the blade up against the fence and cutting into the fence. So it slides through there, takes off our prescribed amount, and then we turn it on and off at each block and reposition the sail.
As we set up to begin the cutting, our biggest concern was positioning the sail as we went, as it's a very large, awkward object to be moving around.
It looks good. Should be. Based on everything we've tested, there shouldn't be any problems. So we'll find out when we actually hoist it. Well, look at this. It is finally not raining and not windy.
It's a miracle in the middle of winter here in the Pacific Northwest.
We had a little bit of snow this morning and it's quite cold out, but because it's relatively calm and it is not raining, we're going to put the mainsail up because it works now. Well, we're going to see if it fits. So yeah, we took like a fraction of a millimeter off. We're going to raise it. This will be the test right here. So follow along.
Fingers crossed, our new mainsail is going to go up like magic and look amazing.
And then we're going to go back down below where it's warm. I think we'll just kind of carry it forward on the side deck a bit. No, go backwards.
Alright, it's the moment of truth. Let's see how they fit in there.
Okay. Up we go. So much easier. That's crazy. Look at that. Holy cow, you can just like pull out with one hand.
Magic!
There was something wrong last time. So we just thought like, oh, it's this big heavy sail. Nope. It's good. Just hand pulling it up, it's crazy.
Now it's getting heavy,
Which makes sense.
what you would expect.
It's a heavy sail. Well, I don't know if my bright orange jumpsuit goes okay in the town here, but we're happy to have the sail up.
It matches the sail.
Putting our pin back in here, it does match the sail. It went up. How easy did it go uphill?
It went up so much easier. Just like it used to be, and like it was on Varuna. But it actually worked. Went up, just a little bit of the weight of the sail. Obviously it's heavy once you get it all the way up, but it is up there.
There it is. We are mainsailed again. I probably like the row right now. Maybe it's just way down. Yeah, that looks like a nice cut.
Yeah. The next project on our to-do list was reinforcing one of our head sails. If you remember from our passage from Hawaii, we had some problems with tears on the leech of the 140% Genoa. Using some spare Dacron, I used a hot knife to cut 6-inch wide strips. Then, using seam stick basting tape, I tacked them down to the leech of the sail. This would secure the layers in place without using pins, keeping the top and bottom aligned for sewing. To my relief, using the FAF 130, my new sewing machine, was quick and easy. Probably the easiest sail repair job that I've done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please remember to give us a thumbs up and hit the bell to subscribe and get notified of new episodes. Until next time.